Hi, good morning to our listeners. We are your
Millennial
Millennial
managers.
Managers PH. My name is Obi, and quick introduction. So my name is Obi. I graduated industrial engineering from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, cum laude. Talagang kailangan sinasabi, no? Uh, Awardee din ako ng Most Outstanding Student Leadership, no, 2018, and finalist sa 10 Outstanding Students of the Philippines.
Wow.
Nagbuhat ng sariling ko. Ayan. Nagtatrabaho ako ngayon bilang isang production manager
Mhm.
sa luxury e-commerce industry focusing on resale and circular economy.
Wow.
Uh, Ever since bata pa naman ako, interested na talaga ako sa leadership.
Mhm.
And up to until now, I'm involved in student organizations and talagang active ako in terms of mentoring younger generations. Akala mo tanda ako na, no, younger
So,
generation.
mentor, okay. Mhm.
And on my personal time, mahilig akong magbasa ng libro. Ang
Mhm.
personality ko ay nakabase sa kung anong librong binabasa ko. So currently ang binabasa ko ay Janus Silang. So
Mhm.
ako ay isang manananggal mambabarang. So, hintayin
Pagkakataon.
ko sa mga susunod na episode ano bang magiging character ko. Kasi nga again, ang personality ko ay naka-based. Bukod sa star sign kong Libra, ay naka-based din sa current na libro kong binabasa. Isa rin akong mananayaw. Mananayaw. So, may mga dance covers din akong ina-upload on the sides. Aside sa mga iba-iba ko pang ginagawa na napakarami din naman. Ayan.
Sobrang dami. Okay. And ako naman si Kate. I am a 29-year-old audit manager and I am a CPA. I graduated double degree. First would be accounting technology, magna cum laude. And then another would be BS accountancy. And I've ranked 16th or 17th in the May 2017 CPA board exam. And generally, ang interest ko is mag-work talaga. Kumbaga kasi I find happiness in my workplace right now. Hindi ko alam for other people, but for me, that is what I consider to be my happy place. And another is I like to go on long walks and listen to my favorite podcast, The Happiness Lab by Dr. Lori Santos, wherein she teaches happiness lessons across all. So yeah, that's it for myself.
So, ayan. Siguro nandito kami ngayon para bigyang linaw, para magsalita na daw. Alam mo may ano issue. Nandito kami ngayon para magsalita na. Bigyang linaw, no? Bakit ba namin binuo tong Your Millennial Managers PH? Ano bang purpose? Paano ba ito nabuo? And ano ba yung mga future plans namin for this
Wow!
venture? Wow, venture! Ayan, sige, Kate, baka ikaw gusto mo muna ikwento paano ba nagsimula ang Your Millennial Managers?
In my view, nagsimula ang millennial managers through that single dinner with you in Din Tai Fung. And parang yung usual naman na parang ano natin, catch-up dinners as we do. And similarly, parang nag-share lang din tayo ng mga highlights of our lives. Syempre, nandun din yung struggles. Parang, kumbaga, we give comfort din naman in talking to one another sa mga ganong bagay-bagay. Tapos, ayun, parang nagkataon, bigla mong sinabi na parang, ay, parang pwede tayong gumawa ng ganito. And the libre in me, syempre, na-excite na parang, oh my God, I like the idea. So, yun. And considering na knowing who you are right now, especially seeing you as well from growing up till now, na parang I love how you are, na parang, ay, hindi ko siya pinag-isipan na parang sige, bet. Kasi alam ko na maganda yung, if not yung kahinatnan, kumbaga maganda yung magiging journey nitong Your Millennial Managers with you. Wow, talaga naman.
Wow! Talaga naman kailangan bigkasin na Din Tai Fung. Favorite na namin yan eh. Favorite kainan namin. Baka naman Din Tai Fung. Hala, naganap agad ng sponsor. Hindi. Ayan. Siguro bukod doon sa kwento na, yeah, normal catch up, no? Nag-usap lang talaga kami ano bang mga nangyayari sa buhay namin, ano ba
Mhm.
yung mga struggles, ganyan.
Mhm.
Uh, Bukod pa doon, kaya din bakit kailangan gumawa ng ganito, bukod sa libra kami, kailangan meron kaming tangible things na ginagawa, ay ano na, magkahiwalay, nagko-content creation na din talaga kami, no?
Mm.
Si Kate ay nagko-content about food, about travel, no, about yung mga long walks niya,
Mm-mm.
bina-vlog niya. Ako naman, meron akong bookstagram na nagka-create ako ng content, nagre-review ako ng mga libro. So, nagsasayaw din ako. So, yun nga, nasa amin na. Parang meron na talagang, nandun na yung gusto naming may i-share sa world, no? Nandun na yung i-open yung self namin sa public, no?
Okay.
Kung ano mang output yung nilalabas namin, nandun yung desire to be out there, to present ourselves out there. And then with the hopes na may mapulot mula sa amin yung mga makakakita ng mga
As much as
ginagawa.
we can, correct.
No? So yun talaga yun. Nakakatuwa lang, no? Kasi nung binigay ko yung idea lang naman talaga siya.
Kaya nga eh.
Wala naman talaga akong balak munang panindigan siya. Kasi sobrang busy ko din, dami kong ginagawa sa buhay. Tapos bigla magulat na lang ako, no? Meron na kaming pangalan, may logo na kami, meron na kaming schedule ng photo shoot, meron na kaming listahan ng topics na possible namin gawing podcast topics. So, sobrang bida-bida talaga. Nandun talaga yung pagiging bida-bida namin sa dugo, nananalaytay sa dugo namin. Na maging bida-bida. Nagulat ako na sabi ko, hala, dami agad nangyayari. Teka. Pero nakakatuwa.
Overwhelmed ka.
Oo, yung podcast nga na unang pinost, di ba? Nirecord pa natin sa traffic lang yan. Wala lang, haba na kami nag-uusap, ang dami na namin napag-usapan, tapos sabi lang ni Kate, try nga natin i-record to. Tapos, ayun, nakakatuwa. Medyo maganda naman yung kinalabas sa patient, no? Kaya sabi niya, sige, upload natin. So, hindi yun yung official pilot episode. Ito ang pilot episode natin. Yun ay teaser episode.
Very spontaneous na podcast.
Correct. Very spontaneous na recording lang yan. Pero, ayun nga, bakit millennial manager? Bakit hindi, for example, dahil pareho tayong Libra, your Libra, Libra Queens, gano'n. Parang maganda din yun. Sige, susunod, ibang podcast.
Dali. Dito muna.
Bakit your millennial managers PH? Anong meron sa pagiging millennial?
Sige, siguro ako muna. I think it's also coming from us being the millennial managers that we are. And as I view nga yung mga millennial managers, kasi we are very intentional, purpose-driven, and as much as we can create value to other people, or parang to be of service to the world, or the universe rather.
The universe rather.
Pero yun, kumbaga parang andun talaga yung want natin to be of parang value-adding citizen as much as we can. Kumbaga, as our capacity allows, as our bandwidth would allow us to continue doing so. Pero syempre, it's also coming from us being a manager na we see kung ano yung impact natin na parang sa team natin, kumbaga sa business na pinagtatrabahuhan natin, and at the same time to ourselves, as long as okay tayo across all. Kasi nga, di ba, baka naman sobrang dami nating ginagawa pero nakakalimutan natin yung sarili natin. It shouldn't be the case. As a millennial manager, being of service to other people is one of our priorities, but at the same time, there's also that priority to do self-care to ensure that we are well across all. Ayun.
Ang ganda yan. If you're following Kate on her social media platforms, well, makikita nyo talaga kung paano niya pinapahalagan yung self-care. And nakaka-inspire, no? Magandang reminder siya na you need to really care about yourself. Kung gusto mo mag-care for other people, you have to care for yourself first. Kasi mauubos ka eh.
Tama.
Ayun. Kaya din kami ditong dalawa. Bakit kami dalawa? Pwede naman kami tuloy na lang namin yung mga ginagawa namin magkahiwalay. Bakit kayo magkasama dito? Siguro, bukod dun sa dinner na nag-uusap nga kami about our experiences, it's a realization na hindi porket manager ka, ay meron na kayong iisang experience, isang perspective sa mga bagay. Lalo na ngayon kami ni Kate ay magkaiba ng background, mag-iba ng profession, industrial engineer ako, tas audit siya. Madami siyang mga mga experiences na talagang solely for audit, no? So kung may mga listeners tayong mga nasa audit diyan, alam ni Kate yung struggles nyo during busy season, ganyan. Ako naman nasa operations ako. So kung may mga listeners tayong nasa operations, alam ko yung mga paghihirap, no, para mapatakbo yung isang production operation. So magandang combination na yung shared experience namin even though magkaiba kami ng industry, is nagdo-drive, nagkakaroon ng different perspective, and then nakakapag-share ka ng best practices. So, kaya it's really gusto namin magkasama, no? Bukod sa para mag-combine yung followings namin. Charot. Para din magkaroon ng different perspective. Iba pa din talaga kung may kabatuhan ka ng idea. Kasi may check and balance, no? Merong nag-evaluate kung may pinapupuntahan ka ba, o may pinapupuntuhan ba yung sinasabi mo. So, and yun din yung goal namin, no? Para sa mga susunod pang episodes. Wow! Talagang claim ko na. Pero para sa future ng Your Millennial Managers, that's really the goal, to build a community of millennial managers that can, share the experiences para magkaroon ng positive change sa Filipino work environment. Talagang focus kami sa Philippine kasi wag na tayong lumabas, no? Wag na tayong lumabas kasi dito pa lang sa Pilipinas, there's a lot of things that we can still change, lalo na sa workspace. And yun yung goal namin as a group, as a millennial manager. So, yeah, ayun lang. Iniisip ko lang ano bang mga future stuff in store for your millennial managers.
Siguro I would also want to highlight yung sinabi mo in terms of community. Kasi nga parang, as a liver that we are, parang we really like to socialize with other people. Pero other than that, you also want to meet other people, be it the younger generation or yung older generation. Kasi nga, di ba, nasa gitna tayo eh. For us to learn from them, kasi nga through those shared experiences, collective exposures, doon ka rin naman kasi magkakaroon ng potential idea for changes, or kumbaga doon naman yung usual na drive natin for the changes that we could actually go through along the way.
Yeah. ang ganda lang, dagdagan ko lang yung nasa gitnang generation tayo, no? Kaya din kami focusing with millennials. Bakit hindi na lang your managers PH? Bakit your millennial pa talaga? Masyado ba kaming ageist? Masyado ba kaming exclusive? Hindi. Dahil una sa lahat, pareho kaming nasa millennial generation. And I think there's really something special. Wow, tinaas ang bangko. There's really something special dun sa generation na natin, wherein tayo yung naging sandwich generation, naabutan natin yung panahon na wala pang social media, and then naabutan din natin yung transition na nag-boom na yung social media or yung computer. So, alam mo yun, meron kang pag-unawa sa parehong generations. So I think we're really kind of the bridge of both generations, na gets mo yung perspective ng mga matatanda kasi naranasan mo din yon nung kabataan mo. And gets mo din naman yung perspective ng mas bata sa'yo kasi alam mo din na nararanasan mo din yon at currently nararanasan natin siya. So I think that's really the beauty of a millennial manager, kasi meron kang pag-unawa, meron kang empathy for both generations. And I think that makes us a really, really good candidate for being a manager. No? And it gives you the opportunity to really change something sa organization. May kita nyo yan eh. Yung mga company ngayon nag-shift na medyo pabata na ng pabata yung mga managers, or yun nga, patanda na tayo ng patanda. Paano ba titignan yun? Siguro a matter of perspective na lang. Pero makita nyo na may shift na yung mga companies we're in. Mas bata na yung mga nagiging managers. Mas nagkakaroon na ng space to lead yung mas mga kabataan. So, I think this is really a welcome opportunity for us millennial managers to change. Lalo na kung nagsama-sama pa tayo, no? Nag-usap-usap pa tayo, naggawa pa tayo ng mga programang mas mag-i-improve sa mga skills natin as millennial managers. Ano pa? Parang ang ganda siguro ng kalalabasan.
Wow!
That's why this your millennial managers. The goal is to really build a community of millennial managers, future, yung mga gusto ding maging manager in the future. And of course, it will be open for other generation, no? Yung especially mga nauna sa atin. Kasi kailangan din naman natin ng, perspective nila. Again, we're not disregarding any generation. It's more of tayo lang yung to bond, no? To bond. So, yun yung vision ko din na in the future, sana mas marami tayong makasama dito sa mga podcast na ganito from different industries, mga millennial managers. So kung may mga listeners kami, na millennial managers na interested to join this community, feel free to message us, and we're really open, no, para makilala kayo, kasi syempre gusto din namin with the same passion, with the
Eh,
same uh, uh, hindi naman personality, hindi naman required na libra kayo. uh, siguro with the same passion to lead, same passion to drive positive change. And at the same time, siguro sana same belief, no? Same, ano yun? Yung mga pinaninindigan natin ay
eh,
pare-pare, no? Kasi ang hirap naman na iba-iba tayo ng mga pinaninindigan, no? Gawa na lang kayo ng sariling grupo.
Pero dapat,
Pero that's the goal. We really want to have like-minded individuals,
yes.
interest, no? Pare-pare ng interest para ma-build tong community na to. Hindi lang kaming dalawa yung maririnig nyo, no? Siguro sa mga susunod na episodes kaming dalawa pala. Pero in the
Later
future,
on.
ang
Nako,
goal namin,
nadami kami.
the goal is to really have someone else speaking about their experiences, no, dito
Yes.
sa Your Millennial Managers PH, no? Hindi namin to ginawang Kate and Obi podcast kasi gusto
Tama.
namin i-open yung space and platform na to for everyone of the same, same community. So ayan, ano pa ba, Kate, ang mga in future store for Your Millennial Managers PH?
Siguro ako definitely you parang leading this podcast or parang leading this initiative, this passion project nung nagkita tayo. It also just views further na you taking the torch. Parang, okay, gusto ko actively, I would want to lead this. Or parang you have taken the step forward to actually
Ganda na.
create this community. So it's really more on wanting more people with the shared passion for initiatives, or parang shared interest to step forward whenever necessary. Parang yun talaga yun eh. More on meeting so many other people kung saan we could drive that positive impact that we aim to achieve. Pero siguro I would also want to emphasize on the journey and not just yung mismong destination natin with or your millennial managers. Kumbaga, this is gonna be a journey, a collective effort, kumbaga continuously taking action and consistently moving forward as much as we can. Parang later on, makarating tayo dun sa gusto nating kahinatnan na parang, ay, this is what we envisioned na your millennial manager PH would be, or this is the value, or at least the end results, or if not the end results, kumbaga, the changes that we want to see. Oh, talaga.
Ang ganda talaga ng focus sa proseso. Kasi ang mga managers naman, hindi tayo natatapos sa pagkatuto.
Tama.
Talagang madami pa tayong proseso sa pagdadaanan. And there's really value in not enjoying but living the experience.
Wow, living the experience.
Hindi naman necessarily ine-enjoy mo para ma-live mo yung experience, kasi madami naman tayong pwedeng maranasan sa isang experience. But the intentionality to experience what's your current reality
Tama.
is, I think that's really very beautiful thing na pagdaanan mo, experience mo yung mga dapat mong i-experience, i-process mo yung mga dapat mong i-proseso. Kasi hindi naman yung dulo ang palaging mahalaga.
Wow.
Mahalaga din talaga yung proseso. So in this journey of your millennial managers, you will witness me and Kate in our journey to find the other sangre. To find the other like-minded people and introduce them, of course, sa community. Para mas lumaki. Kasi hindi naman namin kayang dalawa lang kami dito. Syempre, malaki yung vision, malaki yung gusto namin mangyari. And we will be really needing a really huge community wherein pare-pareho tayo ng goal.
Yeah.
Which is to change and make the Filipino working environment a better and human place to be, no? Hindi siya trabaho na nakakabawas ng dignidad, hindi siya trabaho na yun yung goal eh. Yung trabaho mo is something that it adds up to you as a person, hindi nagbabawas sa pagkatao mo. So yun yung maganda na madami. Kasi madami pang mga companies or madami pang mga industry na talagang kailangan ng change, kailangan ng pagbabago. So I think that's the vision. That's how I want to siguro to just formally close yung points ko for this podcast. No, we built your millennial managers with the goal to change Filipino work environment by sharing our ideas, our skills, our experiences, and of course, learning from those na hindi nyo kailangan maranasan yon para
Oh,
baguhin nyo. Naranasan na namin eh. Ano
mm,
na,
yes.
i-apply nyo na yung mga natutunan na nagre-resonate with you. So
Mm.
that's really cool. We really want to drive positive change. And salamat sa mga nakikinig, salamat sa mga nagpapahatid ng mga comments na nag-enjoy sila. Especially dun sa nirelease natin na ano lang, draft episode.
Mm.
Nakakatuwa na may mga na nakaka-relate, nai-inspire, na-excite, bitin nga daw. Ayan, so huwag kayong mag-alala, madami pa kaming episodes na pinaplano, na pressure. And nakakatuwa na ang sarap sa pakiramdam na merong handang makinig, handang bigyan tayo ng platform. And
Mm.
yun yung gusto naming i-offer din sa other millennial managers and of course future managers pa din. To open up a platform for us to share our experiences and to really meet uh, outstanding people. Like for example, si Kate, she's like awarded as the amazing woman of their company. So ganon, we really want to meet outstanding people, amazing people that has the passion to share themselves para sa greater good. Ayan.
Sige,
Sige,
ako
okay.
naman siguro, yung learning ko na parang yung manager, hindi pala siya yung parang mag-utos-utos ka lang. Na parang di ba pag manager ka, akala mo parang, ay may palibreng kotse ka, may palibreng sasakyan. Hindi pala gano'n.
Libreng
Oo,
kotse. Sobrang classic, no?
oo, pag
CPA
ano,
sa CPA, libreng basta pumirma ka na okay ka na, ganyan.
Hindi pala siya gano'n na parang akala ko ang dali-dali ng buhay ng manager. Pero no, being a manager as I've learned is someone who would be leading the team. So para hindi lang sa ikakaganda ng team, kumbaga sa ikakaganda rin ng business at that. Parang kumbaga nandun yung influence kasi ng manager to be of value adding and to provide that positive impact. So yun, parang ako on my end, I just really want to learn from other people and perhaps share my learnings to others as I have also experienced the same. And definitely very much thankful to everyone kasi nung nag-post nga tayo or nag-launch tayo, grabe yung warmth across all social media platforms natin na combined followings, be it Facebook, LinkedIn, or even Instagram. Parang ibig sabihin lang nun, other people or there are so many other people out there who wants to also provide positive impact or who wants to drive that change that we also aim to provide. Kaya yun. So, looking forward to what this podcast or what your millennial manager would bring not only to our life but to the lives of other people. As in, oh, kala mo naman talaga. Ayun.
Totoo naman, yun naman yung goal to really touch people's lives. Yun naman eh. Kaya tayo nag-share, kaya we present ourselves out there with that hope, no, na meron tayong may inspire. Meron tayong mamumove to do something. Yun naman yung may napanood akong sagot sa beauty pageant. I forgot the name of the uh yung ikaw lang yung maka-inspire na sindihan din nila yung kandila na
Wow.
meron to
Mm,
light the world,
mm.
no? It's something na bukod sa may ilaw ka na ika-inspire ka pa ng ibang tao to light their candle. So, yun yung purpose, to inspire people to move, to change things, to be of greater influence para sa ibang tao.
In a good
And
way.
ayun, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa pakikinig ng podcast nito, feel free to share in your social media, share our Spotify link, share to your friends, give us, tag us, no, kung meron kayong mga suggestion ng topics na gusto nyong marinig, kung may mga questions kayo, curiosities, no, kung ano yung mga gusto nyong pwede pa namin pag-usapan in the future. Kasi we will be sharing a lot more things in the coming weeks. And ayun, maraming salamat, no, sa inyong pakikinig at pag-spend ng oras sa amin. My name again is Obi, kasama ko si,
Okay.
and again, we are your
Millennial.
Millennial Managers PH. Maraming salamat at hanggang sa susunod na episode. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.